Welcome to today's chemistry lesson, and then today is just a continuation of the previous lesson that we had on the electron configuration. So if you didn't watch the previous video on how to write the electron configuration, make sure to watch on the video that is going to pop up on the screen so that you can catch up, because today basically we will now be drawing. We'll now be drawing the electronic configuration, or rather drawing electronic structure. So now, if we pick any element here from the periodic table, maybe we pick the one that we started with in the previous lesson, which we had, fluorine, which has got a mass number of 19 and 9 electrons. So we know to say the electronic configuration for fluorine is going to be 2, 7. So it means it has got 2 shells. So we are going to write our 2 shells, right in our nucleus like that for fluorine. Then now we write 2 shells like that. So in the first shell we have 2 electrons, and then in the second shell we have 7 electrons. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is how the electrons in an atom of fluorine are going to be distributed. If we pick another element, for example, we have magnesium. So our magnesium has got a mass number of 24, and it has got 12 protons. So there we know to say to write this electron configuration, our magnesium will be 2, 8, and 2. So meaning we know to say magnesium has got 3 shells, and it has got 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So meaning we are going to start by writing, or rather drawing, the nucleus for magnesium. Then now how many shells do we have? 3 shells. So we are going to have the first shell, the second shell, and the third shell. So in the first shell, how many electrons are there? 2 electrons. So this is 1, 2. In the second shell we have 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then now, how many do you have in the last shell there? In the last shell we have 2. So 1 can be there, the other 1 can be there. If you want 1 can be there, if you want 1 can be there. If you want, you can put them both there. So basically, that's how the electrons in an atom of magnesium are going to be distributed. If we had to pick another one, let's say for example we pick a non-metal, which is basically, let's say bromine. So if you have bromine has got a mass number of 80 and 35 protons. So to write the electron configuration for this one, we know to say we need to start with the symbol. Then we are going to have 2, 8, 18, and 7. 2, 8, 18, and 7. So we know to say bromine has got 4 shells, and it has got 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So we are going to begin with the nucleus for bromine. Then how many shells do we have? We have 4 shells. So we are going to have the first shell, we are going to have the second shell, we are going to have the third shell, and then we are going to have the fourth shell. Don't mind my sequence, we never went to preschool. Then in the first shell there, we are having 2 electrons, so we are going to have 1 and 2 electrons. In the second one, we have 8, so we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In that one, we are having 18, so we are going to distribute them to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So those are electrons in the third shell. Then in the last shell we have 7 electrons. So meaning we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically that's how electrons are distributed in one atom of what? Bromine. So basically this is how you draw the electronic structure of